Okay, we're up to constructing and solving simultaneous linear equations. So here, we most likely will have to set up an equation or two equations and then be able to solve them. Just remember to make sure that you list what your variables are. So example 1 says the sum of two numbers is 42 and the difference is 70. Find the numbers. So we have to have two numbers. So I'm going to say let x be one number and y be other number. So now I can set up my two equations. So sum of two numbers, sum means of course that I'm adding, so I've got x plus y equals 42. There's one equation. Difference means take away, and I'll write x minus y equals 70. So that's what they give us. Number these, that's number 1, there's number 2. It doesn't matter how we solve it. I'm going to do number 1 plus number 2, so I'm going to do elimination. So I get 2x. The y's cancel. 1y minus a y gives me 0. And 42 plus 70 gives me 112. Divide by 2, so I'll get x equals 56. Now I've got to find my y. Again, it doesn't matter which one I use, but I'm going to do substitute. X equals 56 into, and I'm going to use equation number 1. So I get 56 plus y equals 42. Y will equal 42, take away the 56, and therefore y equals negative 14. So therefore, my two numbers are 56 and negative 14. And you can just check that by working out the sum and the difference. Example 2 says 2 kilograms of jam and 2 kilograms of butter cost $31 and 6 kilograms of jam and 4 kilograms of butter cost $66. Find the cost of 1 kilogram of jam and 1 kilogram of butter. Again, we need to specify our variables. So I'm going to say let the cost of, and because I need to find 1 kilogram, I'm going to write 1 kilogram of jam, and that's going to equal X dollars. Remember, you need to specify what it is as well, the units, and I'm going to say the cost 1 kilogram of butter, and of course I need to use a different variable, so I'll say Y dollars. Now I can write two equations because it says 2 kilograms of jam and 2 kilograms of butter cost $31. So 2x plus 2y equals 31. I have that equation there. And my next equation says 6 kilograms of jam and 4 kilograms of butter cost 66. So 6x plus my 4y equals 66. So there's my equation 1 and there's my equation 2. Now, I'm just going to times equation 1 by 2 because when I times it by 2, I'll get the same y. I'll get 4y for both. So equation 1 becomes 4x plus 4y equals 62. I better name this equation number 3. And now I'm going to do equation number 2 plus equation number 3. So I'll add those, sorry, take away, not add. So when I subtract them, 6x minus 4x gives me 2x. The y's cancel, and 66 minus 62 gives me 4. So x equals 2. And I'm going to sum x equals 2 into, it doesn't matter which equation, 1, 2 or 3. I'm going to use number 1 because it's got the smaller numbers. So I get 4 plus 2y equals 31. 2y equals 27. Therefore, y equals $13.50. Make sure that you write your in words. So 1 kilogram of jam costs, and we worked out it was $2, and 1 kilogram of butter costs $13.50. But make sure you write it because it's in dollars and cents, be specific. That's your exercise 1D questions.